This is how you kill a task or end a process on a Windows server. We will be using the Windows Server 2016 platform to demonstrate. First, I'm going to open the process here. Just for demonstration purposes, I am going to click on the hourglass, type in NOTEPAD, notepad, and open it, just to have a process notepad open. Now, next, to kill a process, we have to identify what the PID number of the process is. To do that, we look in the lower left-hand corner, click on the magnifying glass, type in CMD Charlie Michael David, press enter, and we type in the word task list, TASKLIST, Tango Alpha Sam Kite Lima Indigo Sam Tango. Enter. You get a lot of information here. So we're going to go ahead and expand this just to see everything. Let's scroll back up to it. Scroll down a little bit further. There we go. And we look in the image name list for Notepad, and we see it right here. The PID of Notepad is 308, right here where the pointer is, 308. So now, to kill Notepad, and I want you to keep an eye down here. This is Notepad right here. To kill it, we need to run the following command. Taskkill, one word, space, backslash, PID, space, 308, space, backslash, F. So we'll spell that out. Taskkill, TASKKILL, Tango Alpha Sam Kite Kite Indigo Lima Lima, space, backslash PID, backslash Paul Indigo David, space, the number of the PID, which is in the case is 308 for Notepad as we just identified, space, backslash F. Enter. The process with the PID 308 has been terminated. As you can see, if we go ahead and we run the task list command, if you scroll down here, I'm doing it pretty quickly here, but 308 does not exist anymore. Furthermore, if you look a little further down the screen, the notepad icon is gone. This particularly will help if you have a process that's hard to kill or a process that won't end with Task Manager. You can always use this command to get to a lower level of the operating system to kill a task. This is how you kill a task on a Windows Server machine.